video I'm going to show you how you can add real-time tipping and polls to your video descriptions on YouTube. My name is Tree and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Tree. Feel free to hop in and ask anything about streaming. This is a really great new feature from Stream Elements where you can add tipping and polls to your video description. You can also add goals, which is pretty fun. So here you see on this one, Stream Elements' latest YouTube video, I actually added one. Here you see the tipping link, but here, thank you for tipping Perry $1. Like that part, Perry $1, that's actually dynamic and it changes if somebody else donates. So how can we do this? We're going to mercury.streamelements.com. I'll put the link underneath in the description. Then here we click on Get Started. You log in with your YouTube account. For me, I'm logged in on Tree. I did not show you my login screen because otherwise you guys can see my email address. And then here we can see some stats from the last 7 days. You can also set it on 28 days and we can just see some stats. Mostly the same things as you would see in YouTube Studio. Then here we can see our videos that we have produced. So for example, this short about affiliate versus sponsorship, they're here with some stats behind it. So what we can do is we can add dynamic widgets. That's how they're called to a video. So for example, the affiliate versus sponsorship video here, we can add widgets to them. If you open this, you can actually see my description of this video. I did not type a really good description because this is just a short and I didn't expect people to actually read the description. Then here on the right, we can see channel goals. So here I've set a goal of 10K. I can actually drag this in wherever I want. So for example, I want it here. Then I can just drag this goal in and then here we can set a goal 10K. And then apply goal changes and we can see 77% has been achieved because I got 7.7K. We can also click on preview and we can see how this looks like. So we can see 77%. So if we don't want it, we can just click on the cross and remove it again. Here we can see links. So people can subscribe to our channel and we can paste that link in here. What we do is we click on preview and we can see this link. Here we can see this is where people can subscribe to our channel. We don't actually have to copy and paste it. It's already one of these widgets. But there's also this tipping link. If I put this one in and I will preview it and click on it, we will see our donate page. Here people can donate to our channel. So for example, you can donate $1 because you like my videos. So we add this tipping link and click on preview. Well, the cool thing about the tipping is if people actually tip, you can show the latest tipper. So here we can throw in the latest tipper. That is Perry for $1. So we can say latest tipper Perry. And if you preview it, it will say latest tipper Perry. So you can actually thank people for subscribing in these videos real time. It changes real time. You can also do that with subscribers. And now apparently Peter Walker right now is our last YouTube subscriber. Shout out to you, man. And in preview, we can see latest tipper, latest YouTube subscriber, and it will just tell me who that is. If somebody else would subscribe right now, Peter's gonna be gone from this position and that new person is gonna be there. Remove this, and now we're gonna add a poll. So here we can have a poll question. Do you like polls? And then the answer, yes and no. 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 And then we can just have this poll be here. Do you like polls, yes or no? Preview. Show, do you like polls? And now this poll would work. So if we would save it, apply to video, and I would actually go to that video, go to the description here, do you like polls? And I click on yes, I like polls. You can see, do you like polls now has 67% yes, 33% no. So you can see that 67% said yes now and 33% said no. And if we preview that, we can see that this is how it looks. And you can see the amount of stripes here. It also represents the percentage that people did it. And you can always just delete it by clicking on the X, of course. And if you don't want any, you just delete them and save it again. So if you want those tippings to be happening, you need to go to the tipping page and make sure that your PayPal is connected. I believe PayPal is the only method for you to connect it right now, but it's just super simple. Put your PayPal email address here and you connect it. That's it. You can leave a welcome message for people that come on your tipping page. So here we see that this is the message above here. And then you can always say thank you as well, and this is the message they see after they donated. Here you can see who donated. We can see Perry with $1 via PayPal, because PayPal seems to be the only way right now. I do have to say, all of this is in beta, so things can be changing, and they're probably gonna add more payment methods. I would assume that they would, as like only PayPal. I mean, it could be, but like a lot of people in the US have a credit card, so I assume that they wanna add those options later on. And then you can also generate shoutouts in your video. So what is the cool thing is you can shout out the people that donated, got a membership on your channel, or subscribes. So here we can generate a new shout out. We can see that we can set the shout out to subscribers or members of the channel. I don't have members because it's not turned on. Here we can say since the last video, week or month. Let's say month, so we have a lot more names here. And then you can have custom message. Thank you for subscribing. The speed that it goes, I think I will set it to slow, but you can let it like go ridiculously fast like this and you can't read it. And the maximum of subs that's in the list, so it says 50 now, even though there are 100. If you can change these colors up here as well, there are standard formats that you can choose, so you can't 100% customize things yet. I hope that they're gonna do the 100% customize soon, but at least you can choose some colors that come kind of close to your actual colors that you use. And then here you can generate a webcam file. You can put the webcam file in your video and actually have people scroll down here. You can also make a sidebar instead, if you like that better. So your actual subs or members are just showed in the video by the sidebar. You can also export the data if you just want to use the data in your own graphics, but not want to use the webcam file. But this is the easy way if you're lazy. Definitely the easy way. And I think that's about it. There's some questions that they answer here as well. And you can join the Discord and report bugs, but that's it. I think this is up super easy, so it's great for people that make videos on YouTube, but also for people who stream on YouTube, because if you stream on YouTube, you can still have that in your video description while streaming. This makes it possible to do live polls on YouTube via the description. And it's super cool if you're trying to stream until you have 10k subscribers, for example. You can have that goal in your description. What feature would you guys request if they have to add some? For me, I would say less tippers. If that would be one of the choices you could do for like the scrolling animations, that would be really cool. What do you guys think? While you're typing in the comments, I love to recommend displays all about YouTube. Of course, we're talking about YouTube now, so we might as well just talk further about YouTube. I will see you there. Yeah, click. Come on, click it. I'm just waiting for you. Come on, do it. You can do it. See you there.